pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson. You're watching Get Your Sax Together. The song is called Sax, doesn't really have sax on it, but let's not get bogged down in the details. I'm going to teach you how to play That Sax by Fleur East. This free sax lesson for beginners or intermediate players is going to focus on learning the song Sax, which has only got 4 notes in it, so it's quite easy. I'm going to put the notes up and the fingerings for alto and tenor. For tenor, I'm going to do it down the octave because it's quite tricky to do up the octave. If you're enjoying what you see on the channel, please do subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I release videos. And also in the description, you'll see that there's a link to get a free PDF for this lesson, which has got all the music written out, which is a cool bonus. Right, let's get on with it.
But if you wanna hear me sing, you better play that sax. Give it to me.
So the first thing to note about this is it's called sax, but there's not really sax in it. It's like a kind of horn section brass sample, which is replayed on a keyboard. So there's nowhere to breathe and it sounds a bit weird on the record.
You better play that sax.
However, the song's called Sax, everyone wants to play it, so I'm going to teach you how to play it on sax.
You better play that sax.
And it's dead simple, there's only 4 notes that you have to learn. So here's the first part in slow motion. And now here's that first half of the phrase at full speed. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the second part of the phrase is like this in slow motion. Let's play that second half a little bit quicker. 1, 2, and. Now that's it, that's the whole phrase, and it just gets joined up and then repeated. So here we go at full speed. 1, 2, 3. That's it, hope you enjoyed today's video, learning how to play sax by Fleur East. Don't forget to go down into the description and find the link, which will give you the free PDF with all the music written out, which is a pretty cool bonus. That's written out for alto and tenor. If you enjoyed what you're watching, please do subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I upload new stuff. And I'll see you next time on Get Your Sax Together. See you later. Hi, I'm pro saxophonist. Nice start.